Yeah, Fanny.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. I'm assuming you're all from Seattle, else good afternoon. And for people in India, late good evening. My name is Padma Ayala. I'm the founder of Seattle Data AI and Security. And I also have my co-organizer Akshara on this call.
Hi,
This
guys.
so we both are, we are actually we want to thank Funny. But before I go into this particular hackathon, I just want to give the mission vision of Seattle Data AI. Seattle Data AI Security is a non-profit 501c community just started to post-pandemic. When the AI, when the economy was going down, when there's a lot of AI learning, with AI revolution, there's a lot of learning that has popped up, and also people are losing jobs. People have to reinvent and rediscover themselves. And at the same time, students are graduating and they are like, this AI is in many companies, they halted recruiting people. And, so at that time, we felt very bad and we felt like, how can we connect all these people? Mostly we do in person events. We keep it on purpose is $0, and we're it's all our volunteer time that we are giving here. So then a $0 platform for people to network, connect, learn, grow, and thrive. So we are last year we did a lot of AI tours, and continuously we do in-person events in Seattle on data, AI, and security. This year we are going. Last year also we did two out of Seattle events in Dallas and Atlanta, and we are repeating this year. But this year we are more focusing on cybersecurity. In midst of all this, Funny came to me and said, like, Padma, we should really do a hackathon, because with so much of it, if you
Padma,
see
your
from,
voice is breaking out.
is it better now? Is it clear? Can you guys hear me? Okay. So yeah, from 2023 to 24 to now, AI models are changing. The way people are coding is changing. There's so much of change. So Funny felt that this hackathon, he wanted people to, take something with, from coding perspective, how to put security and guardrails and other kind of whatever is essential, which companies always look for. So with that in thought, we have started. And as always, we are we start with one purpose, but then the beauty is it will grow beyond our imagination. We are becoming innovation hub now. We are connecting with universities, and we are planning to do some AI and cyber clinics very soon. So, like in that sense, even this hackathon, I'm um, uh, hoping it will bring some value to all you guys. We have some wonderful judges who came forward. You just ping Akshara or Funny if you guys want a mentorship, or you want to discuss something further in future also. We will try our best to make those one-on-one connections to you guys and take this learning more way beyond than what what, not just for this hackathon but beyond hackathon also. We are here to serve you guys. So let us know. That's the whole purpose in telling our backgrounds and our mission vision with you all. With that, thank you so much. Akshara, if you want to add one or two sentences, please do, and then let's give it to Funny.
Yeah. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining today. I hope the funny just wanted to check the meeting is getting recorded. For those of them who are not here today, probably we can post it there. Padma has covered most of it. I think the whole intention is we come with the intention of giving it back to the society. That is what keeps us moving forward and giving the things that would make future generations' lives better. That is the aim of it. So, yeah, like Padma mentioned, if you guys are interested in any mentorship, volunteering, or being part of the organization, you can always reach out to me or Funny. Apart from that, I think Funny will take it forward with the agenda, with the documentation, the checkpoints, and everything else.
Yeah, thank you so much, Akshara. And once again, very good morning, everyone. Am I coming through clearly?
Yes.
And again, everyone, I have many other meetings to go. Thank you for participating. Just we are only one text away. Ask us any questions, but thanks for giving us this opportunity. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, Padma. So, yeah, I'll just brief you out once again. So, Seattle at AI is a big tech community with 13,000 plus tech professionals, and we are basically an in person event organizing community. So, we will be conducting monthly events starting in Seattle, and we spread across multiple states in the United States. And last year we have conducted one big event in Dallas, and then we have conducted another one in Atlanta, and we have another one coming up soon in August in Dallas. So that said, the following are the speakers and tech professionals and mentors, judges that are connected with the community. And we have our LinkedIn page. You can just check it out here. That's Seattle Data and Security. Here you can find all the upcoming events, past events, and all details regarding that. And also coming back to the other socials, we have YouTube and Slack communities as well. As I told you earlier, we are conducting monthly events and big tech events as well. So all those recordings of those sessions will be available here on YouTube. So if at all you haven't attended previous sessions or if you have missed it, you can check it out in here and you can find pretty much everything here. And coming back to the hackathon, so as I told you, so this is the hackathon page, and one big announcement if you have missed it earlier. Right now we have extended the time window of the hackathon from 24 hours to 48 hours, as now you have a lot of time to build, test, evaluate, and work on the project. So that said, coming back to the tracks, we have 3 tracks if you have missed it earlier. So we have security reasoning agent, trustworthy data analysis, and human in the loop assistant. So those are the 3 tracks. You can pick the tracks and work on them accordingly. And this is the document that I'll be walking through shortly. So coming back, these are the mentors and judges that are volunteering for the hackathon. You can reach out to them on Discord. They're available, and I'll guide you how can you connect with them on Discord shortly. So hope it's clear till now. So yeah, coming back to the document. So this is the entire document, the participant guide that covers each and everything regarding related to the hackathon. So as I told you, the hackathon window has extended from 24 hours to 48 hours. That explains in the document as well. So it basically the goal here is to solve the real user problem and build working prototype on, and just to make sure, just to keep it simple, make the core workflow work first and then add the advanced features on the top. And also we have a couple of key terms and conditions that you need to make sure, like you may use open source tools, templates, existing components, and more. But however, the substantial new functionality must be developed during the hackathon, and all pre-existing work must be disclosed in the document, in the files. So basically the hackathon is a beginner friendly tracks and the advanced tracks, as well as we are focusing on students and early career professionals initially. You have the tracks related to that and the advanced tracks as well. You can just pick anything of your choice. And then, so moving to the overview of the hackathon. So here, the sole purpose of the hackathon is to work with data, AI, and security, as that's the core theme of the entire community. Actually, let me know if I'm clear till now. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, you're good.
Oh, yes, sure. It's clear.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So yeah, so here the hackathon actually challenges the teams to create a working prototype that solves a clear user problem, where the project should use data meaningfully, apply AI to provide useful assistance, and include at least one mechanism that improves trust, safety, privacy, evidence, or human control. So this is the main point: the trust, safety, and evidence. You need to focus on these area, and human control as well. So coming to what participants should achieve. Here we solve a real problem, use data meaningfully, and then apply AI with purpose and build trust into the workflows. Along with that, we also have how hackathon works. You can go through the points here, and we have guide contents that actually describes what this document actually contains. Starting with hackathon overview, general project requirements, track overview, and track selection guidance if you haven't selected before. We have all the tracks and their details, and then the judging criteria, build guidance if you're a beginner completely. Along with that, we have the entire agenda of the hackathon and the submission requirements and the form at the end. I hope it is clear till now. If I'm going too fast, please do let me know. And yeah, coming to the general project requirements, what counts as a valid project. We have real user problem, support data inputs, meaningful AI assistance, visible trust and control features, and working demonstration, as we discussed earlier. So all the other things are self-explanatory. You can go through the document. So coming to the core and optional layers. So we haven't disclosed earlier. So we have a couple of core layers that are like minimum component required for useful end-to-end prototype, and we have optional advanced layers as well, just to increase the complexity of your project. That includes guardrails, evaluation, audit logs, and stuff. I can walk you through it once we get deeper into the tracks explanation. So coming to choosing the track, if you haven't chosen your track earlier, you can select the tracks here. And coming to first track, just to make sure if you're confused, we have updated the security copilot to security reasoning agent. The core theme is the same. We just updated the name. And we have the challenge here along with the layers. So as I told you, we have a couple of core layers that are actually considered as the minimum requirement. That includes the input layer, AI analysis layer, evidence layer, and then the recommended actions layer. Okay,
Yeah,
coming to the
Funny.
content.
Sorry, guys. Sorry to interrupt. Funny. I have another meeting that I have to get to. It was nice meeting all of you. Sorry, I have to drop off. But if you have any questions, of course, you can reach out to Funny. But if you have anything, you can also ping me too. And I hope you guys all have a great and successful hackathon and have a lot of fun doing it. I'll see you in the next session. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Akshara. Bye bye. So, yeah, getting back, we have additional advanced layers. starting with the security scoring, PII masking, incident timeline, false positive handling, and audit log. So these are the advanced layers that you can add to increase the complexity of your project. And if at all you don't have any idea, if you have an idea related to the track, that's well and good. If you don't have anything and you're kind of struggling to get an idea related to the track, you can find the ideas here. It can helps you to get started easily. That's the same thing with all the other tracks as well. You can find the challenge statement initially, and we have the core requirement layers. And then we have additional advanced layers for all the 3 tracks. You can go through it. This should be self-explanatory. And if at all you are stuck at any point, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And yeah, that's the continued track 3. And then comes the judging and architectural expectations. So here, let's see how the judging works. While you are submitting a video explanation or you'll be doing a live presentation for the judges, we'll be considering these criteria, starting with problem and usefulness. And then comes the working prototype, how well your project is working with the demo. And then the data and AI quality. Then comes the trust and safety, architectural clarity, demo, and storytelling. So based on that, we'll be scoring the entire presentation of the project. And yeah, if you have any other questions, you can just check it out, how the things are working out. And coming to build and guidance, that's just for the beginners who haven't participated in hackathon before, just to get started with it easily. And coming to hackathon agenda. So the first and foremost thing, all the timings that are mentioned in here are in PST. If you can check the Discord announcement, I have provided the times according to your time zones. You should be able to go through it clearly. So the checkpoints we have, initially we got the kickoff meeting at 10 a.m. And then today at 6 p.m. we have checkpoint 1, which is idea validation. If you have an idea already, then if you are struggling to validate it, then judges will be helping you out. And then we have checkpoint 2, architectural overview, checkpoint 3, submission readiness, just before the submissions. And we have soft deadline and hard deadline. So soft deadline is the form will be available for you to submit the projects, and then the hard deadline is the complete deadline. We won't be accepting any more submissions after that deadline. Just make sure that you're submitting before that. And then comes the judging at 11 a.m. on Saturday. And then we have the parallel judging panels, where you'll be presenting to the judges directly on the calls. I'll provide you the links to the calls in the same Teams sheet that you have. And there you'll find the time slots and allotted judges and every other details over there. And then comes the submission requirements finally. So the official submission is in a form where you will be submitting the team number, project name, selector track, and the team member details. Sure, just to make sure you should submit all the details perfectly so that we'll be sending you the certificates. And then we have public GitHub repository links. You should submit in the form along with the YouTube presentation. So the presentation, you should just record it yourself and then add it into your YouTube and just add the link in the form. I'll just walk you through the form as well. And we have the final project zip file that contains everything, the code files, the presentation, and everything zipped. And that should be the similar that of GitHub repository link. I mean, the GitHub should be the same, and the final submission. Then we have a couple of points related to GitHub, how it should be. We should have a README with project overview, setup instructions, and demo instructions as well. Can go through them, and you have final zip files, how it should be. And then coming to the final presentation video, here it is 10 minutes video. I'll just upload it. It should be up to 15 minutes video explanation about the project. You should go through the demo, the problem statement, how you solved it, and everything in the video. And then we have data sets and API requirements. You can just go through it. We have all the explanation over there. And then the final submission checklist, just make sure you are checking out each and every point and then submitting the form. This is the final submission form once again. And yeah, let me know if you have any doubts at any point till now.
I have a question, please. So, do you mentioned it should be 15 minutes video, so there's no need for any like documentation or PowerPoint presentation. It's just the video you want, 15-minute.
So it's basically you will be having the presentation. You will have the slides in the zip file before submitting it. So it should contain the presentation slides, but you should actually also record the entire presentation along with the demo and all, and submit it in the form of
Okay, so
link
the
in the
15
form.
minutes video and the presentation will be in the zip file, right?
No, just the presentation will be in the zip file.
Okay.
The video will be on YouTube.
I see.
Submitting the link.
Okay. Okay.
And checking out this form, I'll just walk you through it how it is.
Okay.
So you can just fill out the name, member email.
Just a quick question. We're not presenting our slides to the judges, right?
No, actually, you will be presenting the slides to the judges. As I told you, we have parallel live panels with the judges where you will be presenting to them directly. But along with that, you also need to record the videos and submit it because of the time zones. If even though the teams are submitting, but they couldn't make it into the judging panel, then on the secondary, we will be considering only the videos. But it is mandatory to join the live panels with the judges. So yeah, hope it's clear.
Okay, so we have to present the slides basically to the judges.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you need
thank
to
you.
present the slides. Yeah. So
I have a question.
Here,
Will you be providing us with this document, or like have you shared this with us?
so I haven't shared this yet. So once after this call, I'll be sharing this document on all the channels. First thing you'll be finding it in the announcement
Okay,
section,
thank you.
and yeah, I'll just add it all the other channels just to make sure you're not missing out on it. And yeah, this form here you'll be adding the video link, and then this is to make sure you are adding all the presentation slides, clear readme, and supporting documents into the project. And then add your GitHub repo link and the zip file here. And once that is done, you should be able to submit the form. Yeah, I think it is clear now.
Yes. Thank you, Funny. I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, perfect. So yeah, getting back to Discord, I'll just walk you through how the Discord is to the people who just joined the Discord and who isn't aware of it. So the main channel starts with general. That's where all the people will be joining when they join the server. But then the actual event starts with the welcome channel where you have all the code of conduct. And then we have the announcement. You will find all the previous announcements and recordings of the previous sessions as well. Here you have the final teams. That's a live sheet. Just to make sure, you will be able to find all the updates live. You don't need to find new files every time. It's a live sheet. Any updates, there is anything, they should be automatically updated over there. So, and also the meeting links, as I told you, the live judging panel links as well, I will be adding into the same sheet. And then we have the introduction channel. I can update this as the resource channel as well, where I'll be posting the current document and the previous documents as well. Should be able to see it here. And coming to the people who already formed the teams and new to Discord to form teams for the first time, this is a detailed guide to form your groups inside the Discord to communicate further with your teams. That's a step-by-step guide. You should be able to follow it easily. And then comes the next category, that is the themes. As we have 3 different tracks and the mentors office hours as well. So in themes, we have 3 themes. So if at all you already formed the teams, and if you want to collaborate or interact with other participants related to the same theme, or if you have any doubts related to that particular track, you can text here and communicate with them here. And in mentors office hours, we have different judges with their office hour pinned already, and I'll be adding more judges soon. Now here we have Aishwarya Venkatesh. She is available, and she is a principal cloud solution architect at Microsoft. You can find her LinkedIn here, and she is available this time as EST. And then we have Surabhi Boob, senior solution engineer, and we have Deepak, also a software engineer. And these are the other mentors. I'll be adding them soon according to their availability. And yeah, these are the checkpoint channels. You can come here and interact with the judges. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to them. You can either address them directly or use the judging and mentor tag if needed. And then we have submission help. During the submission, if you are facing any issues, you can just ping here and I'll help you out. And yep, I think that's pretty much it. I've covered everything. Yeah, do let me know if you have any questions and if you are clear to me. I hope it's clear.
I had I had a question regarding the teams. Like, I tried to have my team reach out to me, but they haven't yet, and I got put in a random team when I came in, like with the team already. So can I just keep working with my team if they aren't reaching out?
Sorry, what's your name again? Sorry, I couldn't find you.
Cushy?
Okay, Kushi. Just a second, let me check.
Cushy? Phus.
Oh, yeah, got it. Let me check the sheets. Yeah, is it Kushi Chada?
Yes.
Oh, okay, perfect. So I can see that you are already in the team with Quentin. Am I right?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, yeah, perfect. So you're already in his team. You can work on it together. So the sheet has been updated.
Oh, is there an updated version?
Yeah. So you can find it in the same link. Actually, you don't have another file. The sheet will be updated by itself. If there are any changes, you can find your team over there. Yeah, let me show you. So yeah, this is Yeah, team 13.
Oh yeah, I was talking about the
20, yeah.
other people on my team. Like if they don't reach out to me, I can't do anything.
Oh, okay. So if they are not reaching out to you, or if you couldn't find them, by the end of the hackathon, you can just submit the project by yourself.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, you can work on the project by yourself and submit it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Perfect. So I hope that's clear with everyone. If you have any other questions, to reach out to me, and yeah, let's wrap it up for today. I'll just add the document right away. And yeah, see you everyone. Happy hacking and all the best. I'll see you soon.